Good morning everyone. This video is all about Hinduism and vegetarianism. As far as Hindus are concerned, most of them are vegetarians. The same question was asked to Zakir Naik and he told about that it's good to be non-vegetarian because God has given them animals to eat. Yeah, that's your opinion, and I don't know about your Quran or whatever you study or read. But the point is that any religion except the Eastern religion, that Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, these are the three religions. They lay emphasis on non-vegetarianism. The point I was willing to make is that in the pre-Vedic period, about 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 years ago, Hindus were generally non-vegetarian in every aspect. They used to eat non-vegetarian food. But as you know that Hinduism is always willing to take whatever good comes to them. In the Vedas, it is mentioned that you should be vegetarian. Why? First of all, it's not ethical to eat any animal which is a living being. They have life, and God has made no prejudice in making any life form. All the life form made by God are His form. All those lives have soul. They breathe. They have blood, and when you kill them, they have the same pain as you do. He was making a point, Zakir Naik, that why do Hindus eat cereals and fruits? So I want to make a point that cereals are eaten when the crops are dried. If you are from a farmer family, you knowing it that cereals are eaten and taken out from the plants when they are dried. They have lost their life. So is the fruit. Taking fruit of the tree is not bad because fruits in itself doesn't have the life. Trees do have the life, and if you are taking the fruit out of the tree, you are not killing the tree. The same is taking the fur out of sheep. You can wear woolen cloth. I am wearing now. It's made out of sheep wool, but you are not killing the sheep. Same is for the cow. When you have the cow, you can drink its milk. The same fat and nutrient which you require for your body, you would be getting from that milk. Then why kill a living being for the sake of his flesh? What can you tell it? It's good, it's ethical. Can God be so discriminatory towards other living beings? I don't feel so, sir. If any book says this, it's wrong. Yeah, earlier period in Yagyas, I know that somewhere in the Vedas it's mentioned there that you should do yagya and kill a few animals, but as far as Hinduism concerned, Vedas have the teachings have been evolved. What you eat, you become as like it. If you eat flesh, you will become angry because it creates angriness. You are killing something, you are butchering something. It makes you impatient, uncompassionate towards other living beings. Then how can you compassionate with human beings? This is the reason why Muslims are fighting with each other and fighting with the rest of the world. Same is with the Christians. These are religions which has been used to convert other people by use of force. It's true, the center lies elsewhere. You are not compassionate to live living beings. You are only compassionate to Allah. But the point is that if you're not compassionate with living beings who Allah has created, you have. It's not that any human beings, any living beings, doesn't have the brain. They do have the brains. Go. You will be talking about that why vegetarianism vegetarian people are weak, non-vegetarian people are strong. If that would have been so, then I don't know why animals such as elephant can be the most powerful and most brainful animal in the whole of the planet. So is the blue whale. They don't eat flesh. So is the giraffe. So is the horse. Yeah, it's very impolite to compare that non-vegetarian is way good than having vegetarianism. It's not such, sir. And you will find out so. It's much more cheaper and carbon efficient. Your carbon footprint on the world is very much less if you follow vegetarianism. But if you are a non-vegetarian, your carbon footprint is more, because each gram of flesh requires more amount of non-vegetarian food to make a gram of flesh. If you eat that gram of fruit or whatever you sow, grains, it's good for you and it's less costly also. You will find out our population is increasing at a faster pace than ever. You will find out in the future that flesh will become a hot commodity and it will be a delicacy in future, and people have to revert to the true faith, the true teaching of the Vedas, that it's not good to be non-vegetarian. Be vegetarian. You can find out. You do find any weakness in me. There are many players in India. You will find out they are vegetarian. Akhilesh Kumar, the Kusti player, the world's wrestling champion from India. They are all vegetarian. It's such a same vegetarian food can provide you same amount of energy and nutrients. Eat soybean. They have all the proteins you require in your body. The main point is that for our thinking, it's very skewed. Not Hindus. Many Hindus are non-vegetarian also. It's not that all Hindus are vegetarian. But to be vegetarian, you have to be compassionate. It's the end level. If you are not compassionate to other animals and other living beings, I don't find that you will be compassionate to anyone. It's the true teaching. Try to evolve the books which have been written 1500 years, for example Quran. Yeah, I don't say that the teaching, I will never say that teachings are bad. All the teachings are good, but follow those teachings to their true respect. After that, you can also add it to it, that what you find good, what you find ethical, do those things. In today's world, if you say that women should be in burqa, it's not the right thing, yeah. It's same as that if you have a car and the driver is a drunk man and he has crushed a woman or a person trying to cross the road, then stop cars. Don't drive cars. It's good. It's not, never will be good, and you can't do it. The thing is that you should make laws which prohibit the people to do mistakes. This is the way to go about. I was telling about vegetarianism, and you will find out in near future that vegetarians will prevail over non-vegetarianism. because it's ethical. How people will develop, it will